Got less than perfect credit or a small down payment saved up? An FHA loan might be your way into homeownership. An FHA loan is a mortgage insured by the Federal Housing Administration. The government doesn't lend the money, but it insures the loan, lowering risk for lenders and making approval easy. A credit score as low as 580 can qualify with just 3.5% down. Even scores down to 500 can work with 10% down, one of the lowest barriers to entry of any loan type. FHA also stays flexible on debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, which measures how much of your monthly income goes toward debt. Interest rates also tend to run slightly lower than conventional loans. There's a trade-off though: mortgage insurance. FHA loans require an upfront premium of about 1.75%, plus a monthly premium that often lasts the entire life of the loan, not just until reaching 20% equity. A couple more things to know. FHA loans are only available for primary residences, not second homes or investment properties. Loan amounts are also capped, generally up to $541,287 in most areas, though the limit runs higher in expensive housing markets. FHA works best for first-time buyers, people rebuilding credit, or anyone without a large down payment saved up. Not sure if FHA is right for you? Call Matt Walsh with Orca Home Loans at 561-886-8456.